Hello everyone, here we do not want any solution. You can see here no solution, and the goal is to find the value of t. So I'm gonna say our goal is a t when there is no solution. So I rewrote the question because the way the College Board formatted was not good. So we would have actually separated the equation at this line. So just to summarize, if you want no solution, you want to match all the x and y's, whether it's in standard form or the explicit y form, such as slope-intercept form. So based on the given equations, I would say let's write this in explicit y form. Because the way the second equation is written, we have y, 1/2 2x. So I'm just going to leave the y by itself, starting with the second equation. Let's just divide everything by t. So this way we have only t on the left side. So we have we only have y's on the left side, yeah. So y is equal to, the t's cancel, 1/2, 1/2t plus 2/tx. Now for the top equation, let's bring all the y's to the left side, and we're gonna get negative 16y. When you subtract 10y on both sides, this 10y will cancel. But for those who are learning this for the first time, I'll show you that on the right side, we are not going to see any y's by subtracting 10y on both sides. And next, we need to push that 4x to the other side. So let's subtract 4x. So this way you only have y's on the left side of the equation. So on the right, we have negative 4x plus 2. And let's just divide both sides by negative 16. Okay, let me use a different color. Oops, I erased something important earlier. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, let's divide everything by negative 16, and that's going to give us just y on the left side. And here we're going to get 1/4x minus 1/8. Okay, so negative over negative will give you positive, and positive 2/negative 16 will give you negative 1/8. So I'm going to highlight these two equations and tell you guys that we need to match the slope. Now I know I wrote this in different order. So just imagine that y equals mx plus b this way. By commutative property of addition, you can switch them around for addition and multiplication. Anyhow, I'm gonna match these two. Let me use a different color for that. So the slope here must be equal. So if you see 2/t, and we set that a 1/4, and then you know that t has to be 8. So 2/8 is equal to 1/4. So you keep the same slope. Now how can we be so sure that this will give you no solution instead of infinitely many solutions? Now for that, we can check the y-intercept and see if they're not equal. They should not, otherwise the problem itself will be designed flawed. So when I plug in 8 here, I get 1/16. And there's no way that 1/16 can equal to negative 1/8. While y's are same, x's are same with a coefficient or slope in front, then we will not have any solution. So just to summarize, if you want no solution, your y should be same, the slope should be same for in front of x, but your y-intercept must be different. And if you plug it in, you're gonna get 1/16, and there's no way that can equal to negative 1/8. So yes, t has to be 8, and I believe that's the answer.